Welcome to another Indian adventure. On your screen right now, you are seeing the imposing entrance to Agra's Red Fort. Today, we will be exploring the remnants of the Mughal Emperor in India, exploring this World Heritage Site and also the tomb of Akbar the Great, two iconic places that definitely should have a spot on your Agra itinerary. Come with us inside the Red Fort of Agra. So now we're in the Red Fort of Agra, a quite significant and obviously very impressive fort in the city of Agra. The Mughal Empire was known for its powerful rulers. Humayun and Akbar are the two we will focus on today. Humayun, the second Mughal emperor, laid the foundation of the empire. However, it was his son Akbar the Great who expanded its territories and ushered in a golden age of prosperity and cultural flourishing. As for the Red Fort, Emperor Humayun inherited the vision for the fort from his father and initiated construction. The real driving completion of the build was achieved by Akbar in 1648. It blends Persian, Indian and Turkish styles and it's quite impressive to walk through the gardens and marvel at all the different architecture. The layout of Agra Fort is characterised by its giant red sandstone walls, enclosing a sprawling complex of gardens, palaces and courtyards. And if you come to the east side of the fort, you'll even have uninterrupted views of the Taj Mahal. Emperor Humayun was actually crowned here at the Red Fort back in the day. And since we have already visited his tomb in Delhi, it's only right that we make our way to the tomb of Akbar while we're here in Agra. Considering the location of the tomb of Akbar being kind of on the outskirts of Agra, a lot of people on a time crunch might give it a miss. Let's go see if they made a mistake or not.
Thank you.
After we collected our tickets for 310 rupees each and posed for a few photos, we made our way to the tomb of Akbar, which was inside this beautiful entrance gate.
They're all individual tiles.
What are they?
Individual tiles. Or like stone.
Similar to Humayun's tomb in Delhi, Akbar's has beautiful entrance gates, luscious green gardens and plenty of open space. You can enter the actual tomb of Akbar and see where he rests if you're so inclined, but you are unable to take photos or videos inside the chamber. The gold is actual gold and the intricate work is insanely good. Even if you're not a history buff, the sheer scale and workmanship on display at this site is just incredible and should find a spot on your Agra itinerary. We leave you today with Jamie Lee's tribute to Akbar the Great. See you next time.
Life is away. I'm gonna ride it all night long.